Hey guys, Lemon here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to assemble a 3-light LED with a breadboard using your Raspberry Pi 3. I have a 3 Model B, just Model B, not the Model B Plus. 3 male-to-male jumper wires. I've got 2 white and a blue. Where's that third green LED? There you are. I'm using a red, yellow, and green LEDs. A T-cobbler, which I got from canakit.com, if you can see that. And a ribbon cable to connect your T-cobbler to your Raspberry Pi. So let's get started. So what you're going to want to do first is put in your first green LED. Actually, put in your T-cobbler, my bad. So make sure you're positive on your positive is on the left on your breadboard. And what you're going to do is, I'm going to try and do this with one hand, is line this up with the very last pin. And I'm going to go ahead and just line this up here. There we go. So we got it all lined up. Push the T-cobbler into all of the pins on the breadboard. There you go. So now you're good. So now, what you want to do is put your green LED, or your LED of your choice, this longer end here, you're going to want to put it in pin 11. Make sure you know you're putting it, and put the negative end, which is the shorter end, in pin 12. There you go. So I like to do all these one by one. If you're gonna, so I forgot to put these out there. You're gonna want some 3 resistors too. Put your resistor right here, your first resistor. Put it on the negative end. Put it on the negative end, reaching over to the negative side. Now you're going to take your first male-to-male jumper wire, line it up with 17 on your T-cobbler, so you see little number 17 right there. Line it up with that number. There you go. Next one is going to be yellow. We're going to put that in next at GPIO at the pin number 13. We're going to put our resistor in the negative side again. I'm sorry, I can't show all this. It's very hard to do with working with such small spaces. It's so hard to do. Especially since I don't have a stand or anything fancy. It's almost in. There you go. So you guys can see that, if this would focus. Should focus. There we go. You can see that that negative side is in the shorter end. Along, if this would focus, along the blue line. So there you go. So what you're going to do next is take your second male-to-male jumper wire and put it in your positive end. I'm just going to stick it there and put it in port 27, not port, pin 27. There you go, 27. 27 is not like lined up. This focus, you can see 27, it's above. Now you're gonna put in your red, your final red LED. Put it in, make sure they're all aligned and stuff. There you go. Put in your final red LED. Put in the resistor. This resistor shouldn't be hard to put in though, because you have a lot of open space. I just bent my resistor pins, which is not good because now I have to unbend them. Okay, let's try this again. Put it in, and there. There we go. It's in now. It's in now. So now we'll put in our positive jumper wire. Put that in number 22. There we go. Now they're all in. We can put in our thing. So we could put in our ribbon cable. So let's put that in. And we can also put in a ribbon cable on this side. So this is how it would go in. Nope. It goes in like this. There we go. Make sure you don't put this in the wrong way on your Raspberry Pi, or else it won't work. For reasons, because the pinhole numbers won't, the GPIO pin numbers won't line up. So see how I'm putting it? The little keyhole right here, it's facing the board. So I'm just going to put this in because this actually requires 2 hands. Come on. There we go. It's almost in. And there we go. So you can see it's in. Both things. Let's sit over, plug in the Raspberry Pi. I already have some pre-made .sh scripts, but I'll show you guys what's inside them. Just plug this in. Some spare wires here that I was using earlier. Just line up my LEDs again. Plug in my keyboard and mouse so I can do things. Wait, actually use it. And it's launching up now. So we're just gonna wait for it here. I'm just gonna sit down. Okay, so my desktop is really crowded on this because of all the projects I have. So it's just, why'd I launch up web browser? Oh shoot. Okay, so I'm gonna go into downloads, go into LED scripts, and I have a few LED scripts here, like LED anime repeat, which completely breaks everything. LED off, LED on, and LED setup. So I'm gonna show you guys LED setup because you have to run that before anything. Now you have to LED on, execute, and it'll turn all your LEDs on. As you can see, LED off, turn them off, LED animate. It'll do like a little cool animation that I made for myself. And yeah, LED anime repeat. Just does it over and over again and you can't stop it. It's a little script I made for no reason. So yeah, that's how you do that, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!